Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the SD and micro SD carrying case by the company JJC. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I get nothing for doing these videos, but I always like doing them in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So this is a anti-shock and water resistant case. It's got some foam here on the inside. I guess that's what helps with the shock absorption. It's got a rubber gasket that goes all the way around the outside, so when it closes, it can keep moisture out. Holds 12 standard SD cards, 24 micro SD cards. I've actually got a couple of them laying here, so we'll see how they fit in the case. You'll notice each one of these slots is shaped just like an SD card. There's a little corner up here that you'll just want to make sure you've got your SD card lined up. Okay. Give it a nice press to put it in, and the case holds it nice and steady. The micro SD is kind of the same way. All you're going to do is you're going to look and see which way would you put the micro SD card in. And let's see, it looks like it's going to go like this. Oops. Here we go. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. Just line it up with the slot. Give it a nice firm press. It's pressed in. And then you can put an SD card over the top of it. Seems to be pretty good quality. Closes nice and tight. The latch isn't going to come open. You got to give it a nice little pull because it's got a lock mechanism up here that the plastic locks around. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.